inside a wire frame, breathing fumes and fading names. 24 and running cold, doing exactly what I'm told. Metal heartbeats, electric sighs, trapped beneath the chromium skies. I clock in, I flatline, I fade away, just a circuit breaker waiting for the day. Pull me out, unplug the wire, lift my soul above the fire. I wanna feel the sun on burning skin. Pull me out, let the light rush in. I'm begging for a world I'll never hold, a freedom that remains untold. Just cut the cord and set me free, with the ghost of who I'm meant to be. Through the static I see your face, a split screen echo in the space. You're dancing in a different time, just a breath away, a phantom crime. We share the rain, we share the night, but you're a different frequency of light. My hand to the glass, yours to the screen, the most beautiful dimension I've ever seen. So close, I can taste the ozone trace, but I'm locked in my sector, separated by the space. Pull me out, unplug the wire, lift my soul above the fire. I wanna feel the sun on burning skin. Explore me out, let the light rush in. I'm begging for a world I'll never hold, a freedom that remains untold. Just cut the cord and set me free, with the ghost of who I'm meant to be. The code is written in the stars, we're orbiting from different cars. Destiny is a loaded gun, pointed at us, we cannot run. My fingers glitch right through your hand, we're perfect flaws in a broken plan. Born too long, designed to yearn, just two dying bulbs that cannot burn. Just a slow decay across the line, a wrinkle in time. Please be mine. Pull me out, unplug the wire, lift my soul above the fire. I wanna feel the sun on burning skin. Explore me out, let the light rush in. I'm begging for a world I'll never hold, a freedom that remains untold. Just cut the cord and set me free, with the ghost of who I'm meant to be.